Hello. Today I have made different slide, and we'll see question wise now onward. So first question is with reference to the department related standing committees in the Parliament of India. Consider the following statements. So uh, now first option is DRSC. Under the purview of Rajya Sabha, have members only from the Rajya Sabha. This is not true, not only from the Rajya Sabha but also from Lok Sabha. DRSCs have 24 committees, and 8 from Rajya Sabha and 16 Lok Sabha, but members are from both. They can compose cut motion related to the demand for grant of the respective ministry or department. Rajya Sabha cannot. They cannot propose cut motion related to the demand for the grants of the respective ministry or department. DRSCs don't have function like proposing cut motions. तो इसका आंसर ये हो जाएगा, this one is most likely neither one nor two. Second question is regarding National Generic Document Registration System. So it was initiated under Ministry of IT, Electronic and Information. No, this is not under Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology. Rather, it is under Ministry of Rural Development. Ministry of Rural Development. And department is under the Department of Land Resources. Now the function of it is it enables the citizen to buy land online. So yes, it was this National Generic Document Registration System was initiated to ease the transaction of land, and it included the system of online transactions. So yes, it is the answer is this one is true, second one is true, so it is 2. Now third question, let's head to liquid tree or liquid 3, recently seen in the news, is used to. Liquid tree is basically it is a container filled of liquid material, algae and other things, phytoplanktons like things, and this a small organism or these small plants generate more oxygen than traditional trees. So that is why it is called liquid trees. So it is to reduce greenhouse gas emission and improve air quality. Yes, it is more likely to be true. Let's say a second. Trap solar energy more efficiently than conventional photovoltaic technology. It is not about photovoltaic, so most likely it is not. Again, next one, prevent forest fires, no use in forest fire, so it is not true. And next, purify metallic pollutants from drinking water, this is also not true. So it was basically a Serbian scientist has made this came up with this kind of idea that he has put aquarium on most of the chowk chaurahas of that city in Serbia, and he has filled a liquid and phytoplanktons, and result was encouraging. That is why it is called liquid tree. It basically replaced 10-year-old trees. Next question is, consider the following: Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad. How many of the places given above have experienced zero shadow day every year? Zero shadow day. Zero shadow day means the sun is right above head. This is the person, and right above his head, sun is there. So you know, this kind of this period can only come in tropics. It's equator, it is tropic, and these are tropics. India is situated like this. This is India. So we can easily see based on the given options. Bangalore is somewhere like it comes here in tropics in Deccan. Hyderabad is also in Deccan tropics, but Delhi is above Tropic of Cancer, so Delhi will not come to Hyderabad. Only two. Next question. Consider the following statement with reference to Committee on Public Undertaking. Committee of on Public Undertaking. You know there are three such committees: Estimate Committee, Public Committee, Public Account Committee, and this Committee on Public Undertaking. So this committee was established in independent India 1964 based on recommendation of Krishna Menon Committee. Krishna Menon Committee. And now membership total are 22 members, 15 from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha. No minister is elected in this because this is majorly the purpose of it was for making the government accountable, so no minister is there, and chairman is from Lok Sabha. Now see, it was created in 1964 on the recommendation of John Mathai. I said right now it is by Krishna Menon Committee, so no, John Mathai obviously wrong. The chairman of committee is appointed from members who are drawn from Lok Sabha only. Chairman is yes, drawn from Lok Sabha. So the answer is 2. Next question. Multi-party interim appeal arbitration arrangement, MPA, which was recently seen in the news. What is it? If you are following current affair, then you must be knowing it is related to WTO. It is alternate trade dispute resolution method, WTO, because WTO dispute resolution system is not functional due to US hindrance. So it is an alternative system for dispute resolution. Yes, it is. India is member of this arrangement. No, India has abstained from its membership. So based on it, the answer is obviously 1. Now next, consider the following statement regarding International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD. IFAD, International Fund for Agricultural Development. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations. It is a specialized agency of United Nations. I guess yes. India is not a member. I believe India is member, not a member. Yes, it is not. India is not a member of IFAD. IFAD was an outcome of first food conference 1974. No, it is not. IFAD is not. So answer 2. Uh, uh, sorry. It is not. India is a member, not India is a member. Outcome of first World Food Conference 1974. Yes, this one is true. So obviously 2. Next question we see. Esbjerg Declaration. Esbjerg Declaration was recently seen in the news, and it is about renewable energy project in North Sea. North Sea is in Europe. It lies between this Britain, UK, and this Scandinavia, and here is North Sea. So this was in news because of renewable energy projects in the North Sea. Now again, next question is about tempo, tropospheric emission monitoring of pollution tempo. Tempo has been in the news, and it is let's see what is it. Which of the following organization has recently launched? National NASA. Yes, it was launched by NASA. European Space Agency, no. World Meteorological, no. And International Civil Aviation, no. It was Tempo is an initiative of NASA. Must keep in mind. Again, next question is JUICE, Mission JUICE. In context of a space voyage, consider the following statement regarding JUICE mission. JUICE mission is related to Jupiter exploration. It is expected that the spacecraft will travel to from Earth bypassing this Venus and that asteroid belts, and then Saturn and Jupiter. It will reach to the Jupiter, and there it will explore the moons, various moons of Jupiter. So it is about Jupiter. It aims to study Mars and its two moon, Phobos and Deimos. No, it is yes expected to study moons, but not Phobos and Deimos, that of Mars. So no, first question is directly wrong. It has been launched by NASA. JUICE mission is not launched by NASA. It is by European Space Agency. Ariane 5 rocket of France, and this European Space Agency has launched it. So its answer is neither one nor two. So this was for today. 10 questions we have done. Bye. We will come up. I will come up with the next session with some few more important questions. Obviously, these questions are not mine. I have seen in somewhere in test series, and that is what I am showing you. And okay, bye, goodbye.